Hey Said,
Hi Lily.
did you know that we can make money out of cryptocurrencies?
Really? How?
Yeah, let's share that with the audience.
Hello guys, this is TeCrypto. Stay tuned with us.
The world of cryptocurrencies is actually full of profitable opportunities. This market is one of the small branches of the big world financial market, and it's still in emergence. Several thousands of projects, hundreds of thousands of developers, and millions of users and investors around the world are working in this field. So the ways to make money out of cryptocurrencies are diverse. And it's enough to increase our knowledge of the capabilities of this field to be able to have a share in this lucrative market. Although a significant portion of the crypto market capital is devoted to Bitcoin, there are a wide variety of ways to monetize cryptocurrencies, the most important of which we will discuss here. And because users differ in their level of knowledge, interest, and risk-taking, it's natural for each revenue-making or generating method to have its own fans.
If we go back more than 5 and 6 years ago, maybe 2016 or something like that, we had some method just trading, holding, and mining. These methods exist now, but the emergence of the using the cryptocurrencies for different branches like DeFi and NFT and something like that make another ways and newer ways for using cryptocurrencies in trading. In this video, in addition to reviewing the traditional and classic ways of trading, we want to share with you the newer ways for more attractive and the logical ways to principal earn from cryptocurrencies.
So the first and most common way to make money out of cryptocurrency is to hold them for the long term. The most major investors in this field or in this method actually buy and hold currencies such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and etc. for the long term with the goal that the coins, such coins actually, will become more valuable in the future and will benefit their investors. In this method, the key factor to success is to know the nature and the purpose of the project, as well as correctly predicting its cost future. So if we look at the historical data of the statistical website CoinMarketCap and check the price list around 5 to 7 years ago, we'll see some projects that were actually once among the top 10 projects in this market, but today no one's even heard of them. And since Bitcoin has been ranked #1 from day one and Ethereum's second ranking, it's of no surprise that the most capital in this market is allocated to these two projects. For example, look at the table of the cryptocurrency on February 23rd, 2014 here. We'll see that at that time there was no talk on queen of cryptocurrency, Ethereum, yet, but Bitcoin was priced at $605.
Trading in the world of crypto means buying and selling in order to profit with price fluctuation. Trading is vast and tortuous ways also, and at the same time, this is lucrative and attractive method also for experienced. The trading, it's not belong to only cryptocurrencies. Trading is belong to all the financial markets. But any markets moves according to his investors. Also, I need to say the price fluctuations used in all. This phenomenon used in all price markets. Trader examine market condition and trend prices use a different variety like technical, fundamental, and sentimental for try different assets at the right time. Buy and sell the specific time can make a profit. There are many principles and techniques trading
the most important of that is risk management and building the strategy of trading and etc.
This is the third method that is called staking. In the staking method, users can help maintain network security and make a profit by depositing cryptocurrencies whose network operates according to the POS algorithm. The concept of staking is defined in networks that operate on the basis of proof of staking or POS consensus algorithm. Validation of transactions and blockchains on such networks is done by nodes that are called validators, and each validator must have deposited some of the local currency of that network at a specific address. Depending on the structure of each validator or network, actually, other users can either by setting up an independent node become an independent volunteer themselves, or choose one of the other volunteers as a representative to pay their deposit. So the higher the deposit amount, the greater the participation in the processing and the maintenance of the network security, and naturally greater the profit. In fact, deposit is a long-term hold, with the difference that over time the number of the stacked currencies or the capital principal will increase, which, if this is accompanied by an increase in the price of each unit of coins, much more profit than holding we will have. In this part, we discussed three most popular and far-reaching methods of monetizing cryptocurrencies, and for the next one, we even have more exciting methods to explain about. And if there is any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments.
Like as always, the sharing videos will encourage us to make more content for you about knowledge of cryptocurrency.
Bye!